Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed.
How do you find the shortest distance between the two houses? In this lesson, you will learn how to find the length of a line segment on the coordinate plane by using the Pythagorean theorem. Let's review. So the Pythagorean theorem can be used to find the length of a side of a right triangle, and you can use a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where c is the hypotenuse, or leg squared plus leg squared equals the hypotenuse squared. A common mistake to make is that when you're asked to find the distance between A and B, is that some students just want to count the spaces, but we can't tell the units here. So the best thing to do is to create a right triangle to help you solve this problem. So how can we find the length of AB on the coordinate plane here? Well, one way to do this is to create a right triangle. A side here which has a length of 4, and another leg here which has a length of 3. So now I can put these values into the Pythagorean theorem and find the length of AB. 4 squared plus 3 squared equals x squared. 16 plus 9 equals x squared. 25 equals x squared. Take the square root of each side and I get x equals 5. So the length of AB is 5 units. Find the distance between the point A, -5, -6, and point B, -2, 4. So the first thing you should do is to plot the points. Once you plot the points, connect the points, and then we can do what we did in the previous slide, which is to make a right triangle. Here we have a leg that is 10 units and a leg that is 3 units, and we can plug these values into the Pythagorean theorem to find the line segment AB. So I write the Pythagorean theorem. 10 squared plus 3 squared equals x squared. 100 plus 9 equals x squared. 109 equals x squared. Take the square root of each side, and I get x equals 10.4 for my final answer after rounding. So how can I find the shortest distance between these two houses? Well, once again, you want to create a right triangle. Here the one leg has a side length of 13 and the other leg has a length of 9, and I'm going to put these values into the Pythagorean theorem to find the shortest distance between the two houses. 13 squared plus 9 squared equals x squared. 169 plus 81 equals x squared. 250 equals x squared, and the square root of 250 is 15.81, and round to the nearest tenth, and I get x equals 15.8. So the shortest distance between the two houses is 15.8 units. In this lesson, you have learned how to find the length of a leg segment on the coordinate plane by using the Pythagorean theorem.
Shooting stars break the